After opening the app, click on Getting Started, then Next, Next, and Done. Now this is the login screen. But first you have to sign up to the app. Click on Sign Up. Now fill your details. Now click on Sign Up. This will ask you the verification code sent to your given mail account. Sign up done. Now let's log in. So this is our beautiful home screen. Let's see a free demo. It's a question of WBJEE Mathematics 2016. Wow! This kind of question solutions are awesome. Look! Here is our exams filter. Currently we have only WBJEE on this app. Let's buy a course. This is very simple. This is the course details page of 11 years WBJEE PYQ solutions. Click on Add to Cart, then go to Cart. Now click Go for payment, enter a referral code if you have any, otherwise close it. Now you can pay to this course securely through Razorpay. Okay, so I have purchased this course. Let's see what's in it. We can see a new button appear to us. Course Access button. Click it. In here we have to select a year first. We can see all the previous years here. Let's choose one. I'm choosing 2014. Next I have to select a subject. We can see all three subjects of WBJEE. Let's choose chemistry. Yeah. The questions window appears. Here we can see every question has question image with the answer image. And every question contains a video solution. Let's see a video solution. Wow! That's amazing! Here is another button for asking doubts. Let's see what it is. For single doubt I can use AI to solve my doubts, or I can choose teacher. But first let's check out the AI's response. Wow! That is great! We can see a crystal clear solutions by AI. Now let's check out the teacher's response. I have to choose a time slot first, then submit doubt. Okay, I got the teacher response on WhatsApp. That's cool. So this is the basic simple overview of our app.